You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary, but that is confusing in English, more pronunciation, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. So this means something that is done openly. Blatant is how it's pronounced. Blatant. The stress is on the first syllable. Now, the Americans often say it as blatant. Blatant. But it's essentially the same pronunciation, so something that is done openly, unshamedly. Bad behavior. Blatant. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.